For remote recording, approval and monitoring, Source Connect, with Source Elements' unparalleled live support, is the benchmark ISDN replacement and is trusted by a talent pool of 50,000 studios and individuals. Source Connect is standalone software for Mac OS X or Windows that can be used with or without a DAW or NLE. It's available in 3 different versions: Standard, Pro or Pro X for surround. All versions are fully duplex send and receive. Source Connect has many totally unique class-leading features. Auto Restore and Auto Replace are actioned by the Queue Manager and guarantees your recordings so that you never have to miss a take. Auto Restore checks what data has been sent. If it finds an error due to bandwidth issues, it sends the missing data via a background FTP site to automatically update your audio files and your timeline edits. The Queue Manager allows support of full PCM audio by Auto Replace so that your audio recordings and timeline edits are automatically replaced with uncompressed PCM recordings. Remote Transport Sync, RTS, enables you to control and sync a remote DAW. It has 2 modes of operation. In ADR or Overdub mode, the remote side is the timecode master. Your DAW sets the timeline position and you trigger the remote side to play from the RTS panel. It plays and it sends RTS info back to you, which you chase. Audio from the remote end is perfectly timed incoming to you. In review mode, you are the time and position master and the remote machine chases you. Transport is controlled from your DAW. Audio is timed perfectly leaving you and therefore incoming to the remote location. The RTS sender controls the transport. The position is set by the sender in the DAW and the direction of sync is determined by where the sender initiates play from, either the DAW or RTS panel. As an extension to Source Connect, the remote end can have a local video player with RTL, remote timeline, controlled by RTS, so your remote talent can voice to picture without having to use a DAW.
Source Elements.